Today we have come to Papa Louie's Pizza for lunch. Unlimited lunch with a salad and pasta bar, and then pizza and garlic bread with dessert after. There's pani puri, soup with croutons. I've also got some chips, veggies and popcorn. And from the salad bar, got different pastas, sweet corn, mogo. There are 3 different types of pizzas. This one is the vegetable pizza, and I've got garlic bread as well. Then for dessert we are having a brownie and vanilla ice cream. After lunch we have now come to Bhujodi Vandematram Memorial Park. The replica of the India Gate and Parliament building are key attractions here. A beautiful place with gardens to walk around. A lovely bridge and pond as well, surrounded by loads of greenery. There are loads of shops showing different handicraft art as well. We have just walked inside the gallery showcasing Mahatma Gandhiji's life. It's the evening now and we are packing the goodie bags for the children coming to the sports day, which is on Friday. We have to pack about 1,700 bags, and in the bags we're putting sweets, biscuits, juice and crisps. All done now. With the help of a big team, we managed to pack all the bags in about 3 hours.
This is packed goodie bags.
No one's here in Gera. We're walking back home from Gita Auntie's house. It's empty.